belly. Yeah, a boy was afraid of an eagle and don't want to go get him joke. Make the people them know the last half in the truth when me and you really and truly and you say you're not into me no more. Because me look on you and tell you the truth. Go and get an injection. Clear up your fucking system. You see me? But you're afraid. Not even the fucking blood test you don't want to go do. You can't that scared. You can't that scared an eagle. You don't want to deal with your teeth. You don't want goddamn take an injection. You don't want to deal with a doctor. You got to talk about you're already dead. You don't want to know. Eh? Boy, I tell you something, man. You don't know who you deal with, you know. You can't like you just not understand. Me plain to the world. I am so freaking plain. You hear me tell you? Me not have to come out and tell lie to people or pretend. It's just that you want hide things. Me not hide nothing. Me a deep down in it and me a put it out there. The next girl or the girl where you have sex with, remember me tell you, and you know where you walk and give people because you don't want God the doctor. All you need to do is to get one injection. One injection you need to get by your bottom, you know, and you don't want to do it. One injection you need to get by your bottom because it can't happen to anybody. But you don't want to do it. You think it hard if you go take the injection. And you think it hard if you go do a blood test. Why you think it hard if you go do a blood test? Why you think it hard if you go do a little tip on your finger and do a blood test? Tell me why. But because I lie down on your stomach and I say, baby, I love you, you know. I say to you, say, baby, I love you. And I don't want you vexing me for this. I say to you, say, babes, I not lie to you. You need to go get a shot. Right? You say to me, say, for what? And I explain and I tell you. Right? And next you started to tell me about the woman. Or the freaking woman and you are different how long you want to blame the fucking woman. Right? You say you would never ever go do a HIV, a rare test. I not put it out there like that. You say you would never go do the test because you're afraid you're rather go down more than even know. That you say. You understand me? And when you tell me so now, I just know me start pre you. You get me? Me have my doctor then. Me can't carry my crew got doctor. Me can't carry all of got doctor make them show no my test. You see me? Me get my fucking injection. You need to go get yours. And that you need to go do. Go and take your injection right in your body. In your body. Go and go take it, make it cramp you for a couple of minutes. You forget it. Give blood clot and walk and give man blood clot things. Me take my one. Go take for you. That's why me and you left. Tell the people them me raw truth. Tell the people them the truth. That is the truth. But you just don't want to talk. Go and take your injection. You hear me tell you, you got to talk about say, oh, you ready to know your status. Why would you want to live on this freaking land? Eh? And you don't want to know your fucking status. Why would you want to live on this fucking land and don't want to know your fucking status? Eh? You have, look here, go and go shoot down the wall of TikTok, boop, 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 boop. Special wing, wing, wing. Special wing, wing, wing. Go and go shoot down TikTok. He hate me. We hate me. And if any man when me I go there with watch, me I go show my crew. Me show you how cruel me is. Me and my man have a blood clot got doctor. Because uno man nowadays, remember me tell him, I go wait in my old 40s and come give me nothing. Me never did have nothing in my 30s or my young 20s. You think say me I go wait till my ras old 40s. Me go make uno ras old young boy come give me things. Any man I come up in my hole again, me and got doctor right past blood clot social media. Hey, Jabba, me a come and angle one crime. Me I go deal with it too, you know. Me a come, you know, it's a different crime, this.
What would you do? What would you do?
Every crime in a fire we always deny. What happened about this one I saw?
Eh?
Every crime
no, because
I will have night tree and why you left with I mix up.
Alright, so listen now. Listen, because I soon go on the next part now, because I go cuss off a tone about me not ready yet. So, after all now, in the last half of the relationship, Jabas, this man I can't tell people about how my mouth stink. Right? Which as well, uno see me on social media with me and TikTok police are suck out tongue and everything.
Every time, yeah, all up on your bill.
Alright. Jabas, when me and the man I make love, the man, yo, he have a thing when love kiss me from my back, go straight down to my body and he just bite me from my body I love it. I love it, Jabas. Yeah.
It won't matter. Shut up, boy. No, that crowd, man.
And the nice something girl, right? When the man a kiss me, him a kiss me, I tell you from top to bottom, right pa my booty jaw, him just bite my booty jaw, me I tell him, have a thing when he comes and slap it up, I love it. Right?
I like that though, but bumbo clot.
So when a man a come talk and a try discriminate me, tell the people them the truth, or me and you do in a bed, or you angle me in a bed, the things that what you do to me in a bed. You come out here so come talk about my mouth stink. You suck out the stinking mouth at two. Look here, we're twinning. We're twinning. Rotten teeth one and rotten teeth two.
Bumbo clot. And that did sweet. And that did sweet. I can go back every time.
Annie,
Oi!
you can't tell a lie on the blood clot, boy, you know.
Brabas, why would I tell lie on him? Why would I do that?
Me and
him in a relationship.
Me look in your face. Me look in your face. Wait.
Come looking at my face. Me and the man in a relationship. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? And me and the man in a bed, you know.
Alright, what you say happen now?
Me say, when me and the man there, me and the man a suck out tongue, Jabas. Jabas, when the man a make love to me, the man a kiss me from top to bottom, we suck out tongue, in kiss me, suck my breast, and go straight down.
Something about your back. Something about your back.
Listen to Jabas, if you are listening, I tell you, say the man suck my breast, go straight down. When the man kiss me from my back, go straight down and kiss my body jaw, slap up my body jaw, me I tell you. That's something what me like what him do. Watch ya, all the laughter be lurking.
Bumbo clot. And if it's true,
Jaden, I tell you, I don't know joking thing, I don't know capping thing. Me can't tell you say him don't eat my pum pum. Me can't tell you say him don't eat my pum pum. Me can promise you that him never eat my pum pum. But it's only come up and biting up my body jaw and kiss me in my back and run him tongue in my back. Nice.
Yeah, police. Police body of fuck.
Nice, me I tell you. Right? So you must come and say come talk like say you're her. So I'm not like par with them too, yeah, you know.
Annie, first give triple to you. Come, can I mix up sweet?
Guys, use the first gift.
Listen.
Guys, even if you your son not support me, I'm not
trouble him. I'm busy. Come back out
here. Work your first triple. Work, guys, use some on the first triple now, please. On the day on the top of the screen now, guys, so they can't let it scream empty. Come to the top of the screen, guys.
yo, and in the easy. Yo. And in a easy and tan. Yo, and
I just shoot.
Yo, and your best blood clot.
And they say like there's something there.
It's nice. I'm not lie. I eat me go back in our shop again. Cause I did want some more. Jaden, stop. I don't like you sometimes for true, dog. Stop.
Yo, Annie, I'm saying that I'm gonna laugh. Yo, Annie, you're not easy, you know?
Chat me, I beg on something on the triple. Boy, I better move back.
Guys, thank you, guys. Everybody comes
Yo, Annie, funny your
16 person.
That's the reason why him stop check on me, because he knows I could have talk out certain things and he might do it. Right? Even telling them the truth what happened in I last half Jabas. Jabas, I when me go down, you remember the time after me cuss him about his shop and me come at me yard? Right? When me come back up, Jabas, me lie down pan him belly, me rub him down first, and me say to him, say, baby, because when me down here, so me go get me look a shot and thing, you get me? When me fuck the boy, my belly just hurt me, like literally, me continue to feel my belly just pain me. So when time I come, so boop and link up, feel me doctor now. Right? Me get for me look a shot from Ochi. Me go up there. Me lie down pan him belly. Cause me know say yo on stay and me rub him down. And me say baby, me I tell you the truth. Me I go want you get a one injection because you see me? You see from me sister to him man just change against me. He saying red and not know. If me tell you to go doing blood test, he saying red and not know his status, Jabas.
Oh, so you basically get like your booster to protect you?
Yes.
That she mean.
So me go talk to him now because you don't know we in a relationship. And when me come to Boobs and I tell him say yo XYZ, a man say he rather not know he would have never even do him blood test as a God live it for me pitney them and my grand pitney. Father God see I know for my grand pitney, me pitney them myself for my life, me I tell you now. A man saying rather live out life, rather not know in status. So that's no me and him end up catch up about the whole thing and he start eat for me a different
Why
way.
would I say
Because
Annie
it's like,
shot
you know,
him? Why
one.
not say Annie shot him? I don't saw.
And I mean, it's your bling a shot him. And that him say, it's your bling a give me.
No, me cannot. Come. Hey boy, don't try to bring no bling and bling.
Allah ma tell Pam blinger. Allah ma tell Pam blinger. If you tell me them, Allah ma tell Pam
come to my defense what you know. So I'm put bling and what is blood clot, you know.
me no say Allah ma tell Pam blinger from what you me keep on tell people say I feel Allah ma tell Pam blinger. How long him have blinger left? Every second him call blinger. Him obsessed with blinger. No know that him obsessed with blinger. Him obsessed with blinger.
Them same like come
I
obsessed.
don't watch blinger video them.
Same like
That's me I tell you.
same like come obsessed with a true.
With Fabi.
He obsessed with blinger. No know that him obsessed with blinger. Blinger no give him nothing. Me I tell you say lie boy I tell. Can walk and juke him body, you know, like put on condom, you know, like put no protection pan in titty.
So, what you say, Atiti? Hey! Fuck with Annie, you know. You. Why Annie, me not like you glowing a man in the door?
Thank you, baby.
Yo,
You know, like Jaden, you know, look at Jaden over there.
Annie, funny as fuck.
You more bad man.
Fuck, class, yo.
Rap with him, boy.
Yo, Annie, I'm blessed in the dog, I see her.
Yeah, I love him, your fuck.
See her to blood clot. Yo, Annie, love her.
Love you, baby. You know me love you. Jabas. Yeah, man, no. A man I go say, oh, me like we eat double mint. Like, no, the man say my mouth stink. But I me and him eat the double mint. Right? He say my mouth stink, you know. And I me and him eat the double mint, you know. So how it work out?
Excuse me, Josh. No.
Guys, thank you so much. Jaden, I'm going to from over here. So we don't like you with your pussy one.
No, man. Your man, they can't go no. Look, you know. Me can't bother with him every time as you know left on a cousin one that they don't go back, you know.
Me and him now go back. After me no want him. Jabba say, see boy tell say I'm 24-year-old and he tell me say I'm 27. You want me show you a proof? Say, he really tell me say I'm 27? He come on and tell people lie. Say, oh, he did tell me, oh, him like him a 24-year-old. Jabba said, me didn't know say man at 24. Me would give me lip pony. But now I lie to you.
Annie, after I'm not like 24, like 30, 40 enough.
Why he look like my man from the Lord of the Rings, the one who say precious, I want my precious. He look old and suck out and dry out. He look like he age at 37. He look old, me not lie. He look old and dry out. I'm not going to talk about my 24-year-old. Where am I go with that?
Yo, Annie, I miss it. Yo, that was that. Yo, you.
Jabba say better in it prank me. Better in it say, Annie, make we run a prank on the people. Them instead then come do all of them something here, bro. Big man thing. Guys, everybody chat, come together, guys, and double tap the screen.
Why do me see you wash them the blood clot dirty clothes the other way? The boy better than say something, boy, you know.
All them the dirty clothes when we are 10 times to backside. Look here, be a dirty water come out of them the clothes when we are 10 times, me I tell you. How many they wash a man clothes them, bro?
Yeah, and he tell me say no sod can't come. All him use fab.
Yeah?
You can't use fab.
You come and a boss and these people then type of way. The big man, let me tell you something. I can't definitely show my people them the whole thing about my status.
Hold on, star spec. 13 rows first.
Guys, double tap,
follow
guys.
Star spec. You don't follow all of me gift.
13 rows.
Guys, everybody, guys.
13 rows. Yo, Annie.
Catch the speed at 6.2K on over here, chat. Catch the speed at 6,000 over here. And shoot on the chip. And don't sit down and look so push up the score and then see it. And chat, you don't follow people and see a gift.
Everybody.
Make sure not push up on the score now.
Everybody chat. Thank you. Jaden, me catching.
Yeah.
Guys, we can have a triple chat.
Chat, shoot on the chip.
Triple guys.
Oh, Jag over here tell me son do down here, bring him down.
The boy is lying.
Jaden can't take him.
The boy is lying. The boy is lying.
Guys, use the
Triple. The boy is lying. The boy is lying, and the boy is lying.
What go on? What really go on?
Annie, who want to talk about it?
Mockers and something there. We call TT mockers. Some say don't make him bring it. If he bring it, don't bring him down. You know, if you're calling them mockers.
Call TT mockers. Thank you, baby.
Why am not tell her why am I said to TT?
So I tell her say stop that. TT never diss him all now.
We never diss him. Me I tell you.
Jaden no get one number. Thank you. Thank you
No,
so
I'm
much.
not getting number. Me I tell you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the honor.
Funny life, boy, how we girl if we go put in dentures. So
Yeah,
me I tell you, that's not the right. We can shut up a blood clot. That's not the right way of telling the girl. So I bet you go get the girl number. You reason with that boy, then look at thing there and gear
Yeah, baby, thank you.
what she can do.
Yeah,
no
me that
company like how tell her
Annie.
about no teeth do one them thing there.
Yeah, me that tell her so she want some teeth and I can give her
What make
redemption.
this squad be lowest
Yes,
over your chat?
After me
No, you can't put on the woman. You can't put on the woman. You're there with the woman at the end of the day. You cannot do that. You understand? But when tell me so no over here call him B man, Batty man.
I lie, I tell Annie. The boy is lying. The boy is lying. I jealous into the street. The girl said about the Jaden the number to tell him about where she can go do her something. The boy is lying.
So what on?
Who
and Jagger there? Who and Jagger there?
No Chanel.
So what the fuck you worry about TT for?
You look like Jagger want TT. It's a TT a Papa show. You think you man gonna live in good blood club, baby man gonna take up TT? Have sense, man.
I don't have to say anything in this one.
So him have him woman, why man watch TT?
Because TT is still there with him. Sometimes if you blame the woman too as well.
I know
TT still stay with him.
Him forget blame. Why man watch the woman for?
No, I did not say that. Don't blame him.
Two women cannot be loyal to you. Two women cannot be loyal to you.
I never said the man must get him blamed, but the woman must know herself also. All right? She must know what she's worth. You understand me? And she see the game.
She can give bun anytime. She can give bun anytime, Annie. You know why she can give bun anytime?
Jabas, you know what I'm saying now.
You know why she can give bun anytime, Annie? Because she's the side piece.
I never said she cannot give bun. What I said, right? She's a woman and she sees the game where I play, right? So she must know herself, said, okay, that I know what my worth.
Who know themselves?
I don't deserve
Who know themselves? Who know themselves?
Annie attack still.
Right?
Yeah, Annie, who know themselves?
Honestly, Jagger if know himself and TT if know herself.
A true you attack, Annie, a true.
Because on the other hand, TT is a beautiful young lady and she must know what she worth at the end of the day. You don't deserve me. You don't deserve my time. You understand me? Right? And for even Chanel too. Chanel don't know what either.
M-Sal, big up. Chanel, big up. Star, big up.
Chanel, if you know, like you two of them don't know them word.
That's it.
First double. Let me tell you something, brother. Let me tell you something.
Hey, TT look nice. Still, I'm not lying. You know, say me know say TT over here this while ago.
TT, Chanel buy the dress, buy the shoes, and you will have a chance.
Yeah, because we are say Annie love sweet.
We never said that too.
I bet because that answer.
Never said that.
Size 7.
Not bad, Ali.
Sorry, thank you so much.
Learn fuck. I learn.
Hey, no easy, you know? No easy at all.
First double chat. Me go tap in.
Guys, throw some for the first double now, please.
Me go tap.
Why, Annie, I best. Yo, Jano. Annie, like you want
to make your black TT, you know, if you do that. Where you black her for?
Jabas, me can't, where Chanel I go through, me feel for focus on Chanel.
Black it two of them.
Yeah, black. Make it fear.
Fear is fear. Black it two of them and make him man deal with them stress for them.
He never carry a baby for 9 months for me. I'm so sorry. Chanel carry 2 baby for 9 months, so Chanel have the upper and TT don't
but
have.
Oh, you know, so TT now breed.
Me like this.
Yeah, then back to sender in Jesus' name. Back to sender.
No, she said she's pregnant right now.
She said she's pregnant.
Don't do that, guys.
No, what do you mean don't do that?
And not me as she says so. As she says so. And Jagger know about it. Jagger know about it.
No, not run joke. No.
All right, wait till 9 months.
You know, so I don't look at me a vibrate pressure. No, remember that.
Jagger know
that. You never know that.
Jagger know.
You never know that when you allow Jagger to go give on.
Who allow Jagger to go give on?
I bring woman in the house.
That's 17 rows, shot. Hey, never jump. 17 rows, shot.
17 rows, guys. 17 rows. Come on, now, guys.
Everybody.
Get distracted now. That's what I love.
Everybody. Hello.
Thank you.
Hello, guys. Double tap, guys. Achoo? No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Triple, guys.
Jabas, looking at my eye.
Triple, shy. Beg us up. Triple guys, triple guys.
Me don't never jagger breeding, but then say pregnant. Triple chat. Chat, triple, we're gonna do something.
What? Come on, guys. Triple, guys.
Use the triple. Come on, guys. Chat, use the triple. Guys, everybody come together. Use the triple, chat.
Chat, we're gonna do something now.
Now, Black, it
Sugar, big up.
pick up for nobody, me gone. I not pick up for nobody, but I'm going to pick with him.
Annie,
Eh?
boy, me feel like a something more than just that because me remember what day, boy, Chanel do everything when she need to do to make sure say, oh, as she a win. Because listen, me one day a TT a win, one day man, I una TT a par right through.
Yeah.
So I can't believe you unlove TT so quick.
Me not unlove TT, me a focus on Chanel.
Nika, come from where you use a little mix up, come from where you is a
Me
liar.
a focus on Chanel because Chanel I got you a look traumatized. But oh look like say breed TT go breed for whole a look stuff. Oh God, wait, no go so. TT
Una
not
have
pregnant.
to accept her.
But she not pregnant, Jabba, so untruth.
Annie, if I said TT at work with the program, you
After a match, I'm add him.
You
over me live a while ago, girl. It's a mix up. I'm not going to say stay. I thought you were different.
Yeah. Annie,
you will have no tongue against TT if you no reason.
Mika, me say like if you
refuse, I'm going to be the color stone.
Mika, me say like me are true.
TT take you up and cake and Burger King go flash you.
Everything come up.
Yeah, true, our Jaden.
Me say like me
go flash you Burger King, you should have sell around. You should have never sell out TT.
Yo, Jabba, let me hear, man. Jabba, so me hear, you know. You chat too much. Big belly boy. Mika, me say like me are true. Like for real.
Yes, Jaden.
So you wanna do this for real?
Jaden don't take nothing serious.
I'm ready to answer something ready to answer.
Come on, first excuse.
Yeah, I want to take it serious, yes.
Come first.
Alright.
Chanel, call Tajay and tell Tajay to come down.
Alright. What about them?
There's a two-side machine. It's a back and belly. Right to one of the white belly. You jump on the two side. It's a hypocrite, yo.
I saw what time to.
Why hypocrite?
Yeah, the make a true Chanel have pay now can go. Chanel get the pay now we can go Burger King him and run with Chanel. But in time TT get the pay now and TT go run to I saw time.
Give me some. Yeah, give me fruits.
I saw them
brother, me can't find big ram in the bro. A match we are playing now. You say add me in there so me look for you, me can't find you.
Who that?
Find a person.
Mom, how much is the paper?
I'm a virgin man.
Now we showing you.
Him send me to come up here.
She learn if you do nails so early.
Yes, you learn a trick.
Remember you don't want to show belly. Nobody want to see your belly. Or you don't want to show belly. Nobody want to see your belly.
Yeah, man, listen. Jabas, go my business now.
You don't know every day D come over here.
Obviously, this guys.
You have this place and I work and still come over here big up where we forget.
Alright, D, go on.
Jay, make you no fuck go on. Excuse me.
I never use somebody with different ad, sorry.
Make you no go on. Everything me realize that from morning you don't want me over here. Me don't know where Jabba and Anya play there for you know.
No, I can't have 5 screen. I can't have 5 screen. That's it.
Ask yo, me now. Eh?
D.
Oi.
Then I say nah left. Say me nah left.
No, me nah left. Me don't care who him go add. Me nah left. On have to go jump. That who him did one add, who better than me now? And who did one add?
No one better than you, I just...
Ask Jabas.
Jabba said who no one add? Jabba stuck. She just come and gone again. You know. A TT.
Jabas
They want add Annie?
Guys, Jabba's freeze.
And
Eh? Hold on, oh, he looks so. But he's stuck. He's stuck. Jabba's stuck. TD drunk? There's the Jabba's. He's a fuck. Which is the Jabba's free. A lie. It have to be a lie. Oh God, Tadia called on your phone now. Murder Samantha.
You never go look walk. So Wagwan yes right now.
Me don't know Wagwan yes so. Me tell D if you just
So you had that for in the first place.
I know me Annie Adar.
Really? Really?
I know you Adar.
You don't know about to add me back on this pussy clan. No time. I don't feel like I want to come style me, you know.
What is style you call myself done, girl?
Yeah, come on for this. Jaden, look.
Me rotted. The vex, you know?
Yeah, man problem already, so.
No, shouldn't have vex man.
Add we add.
You want add?
I can't find a G. I look for you, I can't find it. And I'm a G in a big ram, I can't find it. I don't think we add no TT, and he's not into TT, I'm going to add TT over here.
Oh. So why you really black TT, Annie?
My black car become I want to focus on my grand youth and channel.
So you never have a black car, to focus on it?
When you want know?
Yeah, because the whole heap of mix up and people over there with a bag of mix up. Yeah, my black car, nothing wrong. My black car here from WhatsApp and social media. I'm done with that this side there, so I stay.
And it's a WhatsApp.
Oh, yeah, that over this side. Black them, nothing wrong.
I'm more easy on
Yeah.
I make people that come over here come tell me about oh, not tell me if you jump, I mean not jump. And you up there so, you're not even friggin' say nothing. You make them style me, you see you? Thing good.
First super chat.
First super guys, first super.
Me in a style, yo.
Me know you're not
Jaden.
but you see that fat one you're up with him big head, me I block him.
First super chat. Remember lie.
You put it on Jaden and Jaden don't even look far away.
Remember this man in Jaden over here style on you and me a defend on you know. So you see now, anytime you talk about it again, me allow it.
Yeah, no, every day we hear this something now. But we are styling ourselves.
Double tap, chat. Double tap.
Well, we hear this every day.
Ask the people them and they will tell you, ask them.
Okay, at the right thing me do. Thank you, Tony, and bless up yourself. At least me can hear you talk the truth in the comment section. Bless up at the right
Look
thing.
at me, I love him and I can't find my brother. I'm telling you, so them thing I'm going to bro. I can't find him, bro. Well, I'm over here look for him. No, long me over here look for him.
Double tap, chat. The right thing, of course. I know, but do the right thing.
So D making a chat, touch the gloves and shoot.
Guys, everybody come together and tap a scream like chat.
D making a blood clot,
Each person one rules.
Jabba, I can't because you bad with them.
level rose, what I mean?
Jabba, something they did there.
Guys, 11 rows please. And I have customers.
11
But you
rows.
want to ask, what you say I must do, Jabas?
Just mute me here. I beg me come off beg and be myself.
Well, beg and be yourself. My baby is just learning to talk and she wants to follow by your example.
As I said, just mute me. Just mute me, honey.
If she not because become me, bitch, she not going to
Level rows.
In there then.
come on TikTok, come switch up on me. Don't worry yourself.
Who that?
You make Jaden and my manipulate you. Oh, I need to say. Manipulate.
Boy, everything, yo, boy, them people say Jaden and manipulate. Boy.
Yeah, manipulate Jabas. Jabas is a nice guy, not so nice anymore.
What am I doing?
Alexa 17.
But the ain't no customer.
Yeah, me have customer, but I'm a friend. I was talking myself.
Guys, use it double. Use it double.
Double,
I leave after this, I hear. I end my life after this, I go.
I can
I come back with me. Let me second me come back.
Guys, use it double. Use it double, guys. Use it double.
Did not learn, man. You know, since a friend, I fuck him.
It's like him no see.
Syria, another type of friend. He looks so.
You don't use that the word there.
Thank you, baby.
No, me have only for money.
Java. Eh? Stop for la Jaden, you hear me tell you?
I look over here, baby.
If somebody say why they can't eat Jaden, what you mean you can't eat Jaden? You have to eat him.
I science them.
Come on. Mother. See if my mother this, yeah.
Yo,
Hey,
D,
baby, what's up?
yo, D, look nice in a real life, you know.
Jaden look overprotected.
Annie should have, a little girl never do Annie none. Annie should never black her.
Annie, why you black TT, Annie?
Profit. Beg you something, Profit. Beg you something.
What she do, Annie?
She never black her.
Me supposed
No,
to.
because she show you respect.
Yes, I supposed
Two
to.
tight shoes.
What type of
Two
respect?
tight shoes.
You not so look up back and belly cutlass. No, me a pay Chanel mine. I take care of Chanel.
Well,
I make sure
Chanel
Chanel good at the
without
baby.
blacking her. She never did nothing.
I am not doing it. I'm not doing it. Nothing no wrong. It's my choice. My black car. I'm not dealing with TT. Me I deal with my grandchild and Chanel. Nothing wrong with that. It's my choice.
As some of them last year, you can't pay them mine.
Guys, everybody can come together, guys, and tap on the screen for me now. Please push up a square chat.
You put 2 I mean, remember what's
Titi,
Thank you, baby.
get one back lap and take everything to girl.
I'm together what is your our first car. Thank you.
Only way you want to take. If you want to take salt visit or whatever. Me no busy.
Annie.
Oh. Yeah?
He love you too, you know. Oh God, man.
Bad man, Titi talk good about this woman.
One Annie, you know. Oh
Titi talk good
God.
about him.
One look at Annie.
If Annie never come and say while I go to know say in black Titi and people like comment section that say and Titi and say nothing about the Titi I give her respect and everything over here a while ago. So much pride.
Some people. Yeah, you see one in the comment section and I'm one on every day, you know. Oh, we are going to live good.
Annie.
Huh?
You know, say Titi is a nice girl regardless, though.
Fuck Annie do man. Annie should never black a little girl. Better you tell her, say, listen, you know, say.
And you know, so when you black somebody, it's like you throw water in them face. You don't have to do it.
See you, D, I want to tear off the white wig there. Because you what you there start tell me, say, Annie, you know, say, run, and Ray. D, I live for, guys, see you later. Love you guys. All right? Always. Jabba said big. I can't do it with them. I can't do it with them no more. I can't. They mix up and wicked, yeah. Guys, me make my choice. I make my choice and it will go stay this. So, me I take care of my grandbaby them and me I take care of Chanel and do what I have to do. Right? That's the right thing. Right? Nothing wrong with that. Push up with something. See there? See me two grandbaby them. Guys, I'm pregnant for truth. Thank you, God Almighty, truth now. Me I run away for truth, you know. Just tell me, God Almighty, truth.
Me and tell you, Mommy, me fi make them here.
Oh, that's my dear.
Yeah? One of them,
Yeah, make my one.
I'm come back, me I got shop.
Me not play nobody. What somebody say? Me a run away. Me take a time for me run away.
Come.
Me a run away. I need to run away. Anybody want the palm? No lie. No, seriously, man. She pregnant for two guys? No, sir. I lie. Oh. No. No, cause God no. The family ain't ready for no more, baby. No, talk it true. This a poor family ain't ready for no baby, no baby, no baby, no baby, no baby. The family ain't ready for no baby. Who live now? Who live? Sure, we're done with that. We're done with that. We're done with that. Tell police if you go get him. Tell police if you go do him blood test. We don't want you know about no police. We don't want you know about no police. Tell police if you go do him blood test, Jagger. Or Jagger if you come. Well, if police